Chaya va de me walking in your way, aka at attack measure, Shang Wuju, for a Wuju or your Shang man. Ota, Igbo. Almost some of Lucha, a rock more for me. You're not. So, we are all caught up in this situation whereby if you don't know how to speak English, it means you are not intelligent. I'll tell you, I'm Levy. If you don't speak English language to your children, it means that your children are local. Yeah. For me, I'm trying to blend English language with my actual language. I'm trying to blend the slave master language, which is English, to my language, so that those who doesn't understand my language can understand me better. So anyhow I speak this slave master, my brother not blame me. If I use past participle, I've been a past, you not concern me. So long an England man cannot speak Urhobo, you don't have any right to tell me say I'm not supposed to speak English. But whoa, just telling you the truth. If you are so intentional in speaking the slave master language to your children, and this is not your language, you are so intentional in doing that. You are so intentional in doing this evil to your own self. A crisis of identity. That is what we are having right now. I'm a talk scientist, more total. You more. I'm a talk scientist. So I may say why me go on. I'm a storyteller. You could make me. I will dig big cool. Bolivia is anyone walk on one young was woman. What can I mean? Are you listening to me? If you are so intentional in speaking the slave master language to your children, you should be intentional in speaking Urhobo language. Any language that you are, you should be intentional in speaking Shakiri to your children. You should be intentional in speaking Ijo to your children. You should be intentional in speaking Kwale to your children. Because none of all the slave master will speak your language to their children. Language is not intelligent. That is why you can see Russia. They go to space first before America. I do research before I talk. Go online, go and check. Russia do research, go to space first before America. America like say they go land for moon with the ask that they coordinate now. I say Jake, I don't time I'm talking about language here. So I'm not talking about all those other issues of science and Russia and America. They saw me won't make a video and I walk over. Say anyone won't ever or what for come yeah. Okay, say yeah. If you see the American soldiers, they are ready to die for America because they know the story of America. Here comes Washington. Here comes Jeffersonville. Here comes Benjamin Franklin, who fought against the Britons and took over the land of America and give the people freedom. The people start fighting. That is it. They tell stories about their great men with their language. But the one and them Vienna, he bokoy one way Jack came on, wisdoms. You will not speak the slave master to your children. Even a major knife for keep when Urhobo. Yeah. Now look Urhobo for the speak for this video what they make. Me even I for keep when Urhobo. Yeah. You know that when be intentional in speaking Urhobo language to your children. I will Urhobo. The development of Urhobo lies in our own hands. Tell your wife. Wado Urhobo fayo no mama Urhobo is what learning. What can we only just you gonna win and I won't go with yesterday na work on see they took more preaching for this small video. Now Jesus might be God where would they worship you. If you don't know me, you know now because I love now I carry Trinity for head now. Why we Trinity what trick you want me Trinity by you be just more than what wing my hair, one more job, my boss one more job. Well, I tell you, you're many wing man, you talk 1 hour in there. Wado Urhobo fe no. Urhobo is what Lord. If you like, you know, learn Urhobo language now. You know, Emma weka ko sake mo meka yo na yo. Tell you what do. Ma go upload this video first.